Hello everybody, I have exciting news. Today, I officially announce the release of the Wealth Taboo, Spanish and English. It will be released April 15, 2018 in celebration of Personal Finance Month. As a society, we're structured to perform within preset standards that are designed by society and financial institutions. The education system does not prepare us to develop financial skills, personal financial skills that has a direct effect on the outcome of our lives. Therefore, the Wealth Taboo was written in a simple way that will allow you to grasp all key points and will make a difference as how you see the financial world that affects and influences your world. The Wealth Taboo will give you the understanding of how the system plays you, and we'll discover the wealth building tea, the formula to amass wealth, the power of diversification and residual income. Most important, how to create a mind shift to develop a growth mindset and a wealthy mind. Everything is about an abundance mentality. Starting April 15th, I will donate to the Lymphoma and Leukemia Society a percentage of every sale. Please help me to contribute to better the life of others, to your success.